method is to open the filezilla and connect your console to the same Wi-Fi where you connected the laptop. Just connect it both on the same Wi-Fi. Open the filezilla and then you have to enter the IP and then click quick connect. Don't use password or anything. It will connect. There you go. There is your file for your console, and on this side you can see the file that is on your PC. Just drag and drop the files. Now if you have a package file, you just need, I will provide the description where you want to copy all these files, ISO, package and extra. So I'm gonna copy a file. Here you go. Now wait. It will take time again, depending on the speed of your console.
2,000 years later.
There you go. It's all copy. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Hope you like it. So share. That's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.